Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is Praful, and in this video I'm going to show you how to sort a list in Python using two different methods. So in the first method I will be using sort function. So first let us create a list. I've created a list here already with some random integers. Let me run this. Now I will apply sort function on this list. Yeah, I will run this. Now if you see the list has been sorted in ascending order. Let's say you want this list to be sorted in descending order. For that you are passing a reverse is equal to true within the parenthesis. Yeah, now you can see the list has been sorted in descending order. With the second method we are using sorted function. We'll pass the list within the sorted function, that is L, the list here. Yeah, now if you see the list has been sorted in ascending order. Let's say you want this to be sorted in descending. We'll pass reverse is equal to true, just like we did in the previous case. Yeah, you can see here the list has been sorted in descending order. So what's the difference between this method and this method? So in the first method the original list itself will get sorted. So in the second method the original list is still intact. The list is only sorted as long as it is present in this sorted function. Okay, if you see the original list, it's still intact, right? See here, this is the original list, this one here. As long as it is present inside the sorted function, it is sorted. I hope you got this difference between the two methods. Please to like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon, guys. Thank you.